Hey, again, how to measure the pH. Now I'll show you a different method using a wooden kitchen spoon, but you can also use any other round object, a piece of wood, and it's like on a playground seesaw. So if you push here, it's going up here, push down, it's going up here. And then a weight with a known mass you put here. This is a apricot marmalade glass of 200 grams, 290 grams. You put here a marker to indicate the center of mass, and on the other side you put the pier. So if the pier you put here, then the pier is lifting up the glass, and this is because like the weight from the marmalade times the distance, which is 10 centimeters. You can measure this with a ruler. 10 centimeters to the center of this spoon is lighter, or there's a larger momentum from the weight of the pier from here to the distance here, which is 24 centimeters. There's a larger momentum compared to this. Now if you move the pier to a point where it's almost in balance, it means that the weight pushing down here is almost the same, like the weight multiplied by the arm is the same as the weight here, which is maybe smaller or lighter, multiplied by the arm here. It can be quite difficult and time consuming to find the exact point, because it's only a millimeter back and forth. The pier is just slightly here pushing more, but here you see it's in balance. So in this way it's approximate. If you measure here the distance, 10 centimeters times the weight should be the same in balance as the pier, which is 18 centimeters. Now you can calculate the weight of the pier. So you have your seesaw. The weight pushing down is 290. X1 is 10 centimeters, and the pier this is 18 centimeters. X2 so you have the weight of the marmalade glass, 290 grams, multiplied by the arm is 10. Then you have the arm, it's 18 centimeters, and you have the weight of the pier. So now you can calculate the weight multiplied by the arm should be equal to the distance of the marmalade glass times the weight. So we have this equation. The arm multiplied by the weight 1 should be equal in balance in this seesaw of the arm multiplied by the weight number 2, the pier. So it's 290 multiplied by 10 centimeters should be equal to 18 centimeters times the weight 2 of the pier. Now you can just simple calculation, 290 multiplied by 10 divided by the 18. This way you have the weight of the pier, which is 160 grams. So 290 times the arm divided by the 18, you can be left unknown weight number 2. So number 2 is dividing 2900 divided by 18 is approximately 160 grams, which is the weight of the pier, your answer. So by using a simple seesaw you can calculate the weight. To control this, I have here a kitchen balance. I put on, see it's 0. I put on the pea, and the weight is 162 grams. So it's quite an accurate method, the seesaw method, and it's based on mechanics. So you can weight also with kitchen tools and marmalade the weight of objects. Hey do, see you next time.